How to fix Instagram followers count on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. Now just go to settings, scroll down until you find here apps, this one for Android phones. Go to apps and here type Instagram, click on it, click force stop, go to storage, clear cache. If that doesn't fix your problem, come back here and click clear data. You will need to log in again to your accounts, but your problem will be fixed. And if you have an iPhone, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now just restart your phone and turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and then just go to App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.